Are you guys got these little things when things have got to be like all the same, like not all upside down and all straight? Same with money. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend, another beginning of a fabulous week, and I wish all the best for this week, guys. I hope you're having a fabulous week. So today I want to share with you one of my newest addition to the website. Is a new kit. It's called Lucky Bingo with the exclamation point, because you've got to put the exclamation point, because without the exclamation point you are nobody. So this is the kit, but I'll show you in just a minute. Oh god, it's so warm. Sorry guys, I got to make myself some air. Right, so today I want to share how to make these little pouches slash pockets. Very simple to make. If I can open it, yes I can. So basically it's that sort of project from one sheet you get so many pockets. There's plenty of videos on YouTube, so literally everybody's made this sort of pockets, so you can do what you want. But the reason why I make it is because I want to store these little bingo cards, which the part of my kit, and I show you the kit in just a moment. Let me just put it. Are you guys got these little things when things have got to be like all the same, like not all upside down and all straight? Same with money. Like I don't really carry a lot of cash nowadays because I use my cards pretty much for everything. And to be fair, I don't even carry my card because I got everything on my phone. So I'm the sort of person, if I ever have any cash on my wallet, they've got to be like that. I can't stand money that like that, if it makes sense. They all got to be the same, facing up. Yes, hashtag I'm weird, I know, but I'm sure there is plenty of you out there. Yes, we all weird. Let's enhance our weirdness, if it's the word. So yeah, I want to create some pockets to put these lovely little bingo cards. So here I made them, and I have used it's a Team Holtz paper pad. The problem is I've got the back but I haven't got the top because I don't know where it's gone. Sorry, I need to get some air. I'm not going to open the window because my neighbours are outside, and when they talk it's quite noisy, and also if I open the window it's going to be even more hotter. So that is the back. I'm sure if I show you the papers you will understand which paper pad it is. It's the usual Team Holtz vintage things that he does, and I really want to use up this paper pad because it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna pick this page for the next pocket because I like it. It's all about the journey. So yeah, but before we crack on, let me show you the kit. So this huge kit, it's got loads of pages. Sorry, and I will put the link down below in case you want to purchase it. So you've got your standards bingo cards, which they're very big. I mean, considering this is an A4, so each one of these cards is 5.5 by 3, which in centimeters is 14 by 8. Okay, so they're very big. So you get 1, 2, 3. So you get 12 of these. This kit you can actually play bingo with your mates, so you can do that. That's not an issue. So you get 12 bingo cards in blues, and I'm hoping that yes, the lighting will pick it up. Then you got the same card shrunk, okay, in small sizes. And what I did with the same cards, I've made it in blue. I hope you can see. Yeah, in blue, black, green. So, and the reason why I gave you this all different colors, because you can use them with different color journals that you make. That is more like a light, it's a light green. I don't know what colors you're going to see. It's more like a light green. You can probably see better there. Yeah. And then you get all the numbers that you can fussy cut. Now, this page has been a nightmare. When I scanned the numbers, imagine if you put the numbers into a scanner, you get all the black or you get all the shadow. So I have to manually, one by one, number by number, edit it all the shadow and cancel it and make it white. OMG. So yes, now there is a little hidden giveaway on this video. Out of this, there is one number, and if you want to pause at the video, you can pause it. One number that it wasn't in the kit, because I bought a proper vintage kit and I scanned this and then alter the colors. So there were all these wooden numbers, but there was one number that was missing. Okay, now if you guess the right number that it was missing, so I had to create this number myself. Okay, so if you guess, you can probably recognize it on its, and I'll give you a little hint. So one of these numbers you can see for his background, that the background is too even, so it looks like fake. Okay, so if you guess the right number, you win the kit. Okay, and to give you another hint, it's more towards this side of the page, not that side. Okay, so I'll give you quite a lot of opportunities to win the kit. Okay, so it's more like towards this side. You can probably tell straight away. Okay, let's have a guess. So anyway, so you get the numbers, all the numbers, so you can fussy cut it. And again, I've done them in black, blue, green, oh, like olive green, emerald green, and pink. There should be one in red. Where's the red? Where's the red? Oh, of course. Oh God, ignore me. That's the red. Pink and purple. Okay, so again, the reason why I alter these colors, because I thought you guys can use this as an embellishment for any colors, theme, journal, or cards, or anything that you have. Okay, so let me put this away. Let me put this in there so I know what I'm doing. So this is an 8x8. So what you need to do, and I'm using my Stampin' Up scoring board, but you can use your normal scoring board. So you need to fold it, well, score it, sorry, at 2 and then 6. Okay, so those two will give you those two lines there. Okay, then you turn it around and then you do the same at 6 and 4. No, 2, sorry. And that will give you, yes, 2. Okay, I know you won't be able to see much with this. You can probably see better on here actually. So you got that, which is the bottom pocket. Now I can, let me get this, let me get rid of this. Okay, so you get that, which is the bottom pocket, which is this one. Then fold that back up, which is the top one there. And then you get the two side ones, oops, which is that one, oops, and this one there. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to chop that up to the first score line there and do the same on the other side. Now what I suggest, you literally chop it like a little wedge on both sides, so you're simply chopping the score line itself, and that will give us more room when we fold it back up, so that when you fold it like that, it's not going to go on it's not going to be on the way. So we do the same, so a little wedge, and I do the same on this square here, there. And then if you use 8x8 paper, you got almost next to nothing in terms of wastage. So that, Okay, so what we need to do on the top, we need to get rid of those 2 squares there, but don't chuck them in the bin because we will need them for, we need one of them for our closure. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay, so save one of the squares because we will need them for closure. Now on here I chopped all the corners because I do like nice corners, but just for this part of the video I'm not going to do it because if I get my I use my envelope punch board, not envelope, envelope punch board, it's going to make a noise and it's not nice. And then circle punch, I'm using, this is the 1-inch punch. You just punch the circle for the pockets. I'm trying to position it in the middle, but it's still what you want. So that's that. And then glue, 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 glue. We're just going to attach. And then if you, I mean, you can do this, I mean, we could put any tags or ephemera or anything that you want to put in it. But if you buy the kit and use the small ones there that I fuss cut, if you make this for your crafty friends, you can either mix and match, so you can get all the different colors that I've showed you, or you can do 1 color per pocket, so you can do 1 pocket in blue, 1 pocket in red, and etc. So in each pocket you got a selection on color card, which I think is quite nice. And on the small ones, if you really want to, you can cut the numbers so you can put them in there. I didn't go as far as that but you can. Okay, so put the pockets so we can put our lovely bingo cards, and it's a proper vintage and not altered, they're actually proper, they were dirty, like not dirty like muck, but dirty like they were used. So yeah, so you can have 1 in blue, 1 in red, etc. Okay, super cute. And then for the closure, why are you not closing? Because you're on the way, that's why. So for the closure we need again, I'm using the 1-inch punch. There. And then you just need to position it on the top flap there, and then you get your hole puncher and create a little hole. Now I've got a little box with all my brads, and I have some small brad, they are brass, because brass goes really well with this sort of paper skim. And I've got them in bronze and copper, but they're too small, they will go through the hole. Stay there. And then you simply pull the brad through, open it on the other side. If this bothers you, you can cut, you remember we saved the 2 squares, you can cut another one and attached in there if it really bothers you. Personally, I can survive without it. So, and then you just simply put I put gold because I like gold. You just put a little thread through, and you just that's your closure. And then before you just put it like that and it stays shut like that. Very, very simple, guys. Super cute, super fun. What do you think? I hope you like this idea, guys. If you did, the usual big thumbs up. I will put the link to the kit if you wish to purchase it. It's literally is a brand new kit upload, I think last week. Very fun, and good luck if you guess the right number that it was created artificially. It was created digitally, that's the word I was missing. You win the kit. So good luck, everybody. So leave me a comment down below with the number that you think it wasn't there, and then in a week I will get my box and I'll show you the number that it was created and see if if you guess right or not. Good luck, everyone. Have a fabulous week. Thumbs up. Thank you very much. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well.